wanna be free of this heart.
And welcome back to my channel, guys. Currently we're in the hospital and I'm filming this video right now in the hospital because yeah, guys, I'll be giving you the food just later. But anyways, this is what I want to show you what is in my hospital bag, guys. I just packed this bag like some hours ago because I don't know, it's going to be like impromptu like this. So let me show you what I packed in my hospital bag. So I have two bags. I have this and that. So I'll show you this first. These are outfits, like personal stuffs. Okay. Oops. Oh. Okay. So guys, this is what we have. We have the baby side and the mommy side. But there are some stuffs here that are actually for the baby too. So let me start with the mommy side. Yeah. So here I have my toothpaste, my face cream, sunscreen, my toothbrush, some sanitizer, just my personal stuff like for my face. That's what we have over here, my toothbrush and toothpaste. Yeah. Okay. So I have my nursing bra. I have my nursing bra here. I have my nursing bra here. I have my hair bonnet that I'm going to use anytime soon. My hair bonnet. I have two going on. I have three outfits that I have here, but one is going home outfit. So this is going to be my going home outfit, and this two is going to be what I wear. Guys, this going home outfit is so comfortable and it's so very comfortable. Guys, can you see? It's just a long gown. So yeah, this is going to be my going home outfit and nothing serere. Yeah. So yeah, I have wrapper. Nigerian hospital tend to come with two wrappers, so we have two wrapper. Guys, this wrapper is actually a legendary wrapper because this is what Chris and Mama use. This is what Jericho use, and this is what the new baby is also going to use. Yeah, so we have wrapper here. So for the baby, I think that's all my stuffs here. I don't have any other thing here. I'm not so sure I'll be breastfeeding here. So for the baby, we have a blanket. We have this blanket for the baby. Yeah. And I have this shawl just to cover up. Guys, we're in a maternal period, so I think the baby is going to need more of like covering. So we have shawl here. I don't know what this is called, but I brought this up. This can actually be like something to just like be beside the bed or something. Just I don't know why I brought this though. It's just there. I have a small towel for the baby. I don't know if this will be enough, but we have towel for the baby, and we have big towel also for the baby. So this and this is giving like matchy something. Yeah. So this is another towel for the baby. So that's what we have in this side. So the other side we have so the other side, let me just come over. This other side we have the baby's outfit, and this is how I packed it. I tried, I know. So over here, this is the first section. I have caps, mitten, bib, and yeah, it's supposed to be this side. Why is this on the side? Yeah, we have caps, wash clothes, mittens, socks, ball clothes, all sort of things, like all these socks. So that's what we have here, and we have bib. So just those tiny things, I put them here, and I pack them with Ziploc so that it will be so easy for anybody that wants to help me to get the clothes. Over here I have onesies and trouser. So we have onesies and trouser with pop socks. Or what is this called? I think pop socks. So I think I packed like five each outfit. I packed like 5 or 6. So I packed 6 onesies, 6 sleep suits. Guys, I'm packing a lot because I just don't know. I don't want to have everything here. So it's not like it's leaving the box. So that's why I packed 6, I think 6 each. So 6 of onesies and trousers. So these are trouser, onesies, and we have sleep suit. So for this sleep suit, I packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sleep suits, guys. There is one sleep suit here that is small. We have different, because I don't know the size of the baby. Like for Jerry, guys, I packed small clothes for him, and I was able to wear it because it was a big baby. Because I gave birth to a big baby. But for this, I don't know. So I just have to like mix up just in case, so that I won't have to go back home and be looking for a big outfit. So that's why I packed 5 of these. So these are just sleep suits. And here I have growing home outfit, guys. This clothes are so, it's so beautiful. So I have growing home outfit. It has everything: the cap, the mittens, the onesies, the sleep suit. Everything is just inside here. That's the growing home outfit. So we have sweater because of this season. We don't know how it will be. So we have sweater, and this is like just top and trouser and booties or socks. So we have, I just brought 2 flannel, just 2 flannel, one big one and one small one. And we have wipes. Oh, we have diaper here. So there's diaper here, and I have a spoon, and I don't, this is not supposed to be here. So I have this spoon here, but it's supposed to be in the other box. So these are all the outfits, and I'll show you the other one, the other box, or the other bag. So guys, after that box, I have this bag. Guys, it's open because I tried to put this inside. So inside this bag, guys, let me just, this is actually a very big bag. Like, in case you don't know, if you are giving birth in a Nigerian hospital, they will ask you to pack some unnecessary stuff like your like gloves, like underlay, also that is not really needed. But in Nigerian hospitals, they will ask you to pack those stuff. So those stuffs are what I put here, because they're always big and I don't even know what it's used for. Yeah, and so many other stuff. But yeah, let's go. So the first thing I have here is this underpad towel. So I'm asked to come with this. So I have this. I have my jig. I have jig here. I have this is Savon, but this is what I have. This is Savon. We have this. So I have my spoon and my cup. Guys, for this spoon, I got this for Jerry, and he did not use it, so I just right time. Let me check it. Okay. So a very good time to use this. So I bought Vaseline for myself and for the baby also, because of this and my pan. So we have wash bag. So inside this wash bag, guys, I have this body wash, body cream, and body oil. Then on the other side, I have my sponge, baby sponge, and my soap, my bath soap, So that is what I have. So these are just to wash the baby and the mother. We have wipes. I bought wipes. I bought cotton wool. All these are actually inside the hospital list. Guys, I'll put a picture of the hospital list there for you to see. We have gloves, 2 different gloves. One is called surgical glove, and the other one is called elbow glove. I'm not a pro in this thing. We have this one. This one is called nail glove or something. I don't know what it's called. But this is another glove shop that you need. Yeah. So we have this called clown. I have my pants. These are disposable pants. I have my mucus extractor. I have my Goya oil. I have my silver bed. I don't know what this is for actually, but we have it. I have glucose. I have this powder something. Guys, this is for Jerry. I use this for Jerry, but he did not use powder at all during this time. So I just pick it up again. Now we have formula because I might not be able to breastfeed. I'm not so sure. But we have baby formula, and yeah, we have baby formula here. I have this balm because this is during Harmattan, and obviously the baby will need balm, like especially this weather. It's so cold and everything. So I have brush set just to brush the baby's hair. We have Dettol. I have cotton bud. I'm not so sure the baby use cotton bud. I have pad. I brought 3. I'm actually doing 5, but I'm with 3 because I'm not so sure I'm going to finish it. So I have bottle. Guys, this bottle is so small. It's so small, and to just check. I'm not so sure. Like some hospitals will not allow you to use bottle to feed your baby. So, but some will do. I don't know about this one. I have some. So we have this bottle. We have I have Moko. I have this powder that they said is very good. This powder I don't know, but they said it's very good. And lastly, we have flax. Guys, I swear by this flax. It's so good and it works pretty well. Yeah. So these are what I put inside my hospital bags that are not clothes. Those there are clothes. So yeah, I hope you gain from this video. I hope you can anytime you want to give birth, you can use this video to just be like a guide, guys. God. I hope this video can be like a guide for you when you want to also pack your hospital bag and be able to know some things you will need, especially some essential things you will need. Guys, if there is something missing in your hospital bag, let me know in the comment section, guys. Anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Becca. Becca is a YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. But till then, stay blessed. Bye, guys.